Sacchitanand, what would your calls be for the day?
We'll have two recommendations and both are on the long side. First one being Heromoto Corp. I think this particular stock could be an interesting one to watch out today. If you look at the overall formation since last 4 months, the stock had been oscillating lower within a declining wedge kind of formation. If you look at the immediate data after 17 declines of days of a decline, the entire area was covered in a span of 3 days. So that is a sign of a fresh impulse. If you look at the options data, 2700 is the highest call open interest built up level, and that particular level has been challenged yesterday. We saw closing above that particular level, and that's why I believe that the breakout is already in place, and we may see an up move right up to its 200-day exponential moving average, which is placed somewhere close to 2900. So with that intention, 2670 should be the stop loss for the trade when you're trading on futures. We're expecting a move towards 2900. The second call is also a buy call. It's on Siemens, where we have already seen a very good strong positive traction in last couple of trading sessions. We have a positive sector outlook on this particular segment. If you look at some of the momentum averages, we have already seen a convergence there which complements the ongoing momentum. 1200 is the 52-week high, and where we see that that level could be breached soon. We are expecting a move towards 1245 on the futures. The stop loss for the trade should be placed at 1168, and any declines or consolidation should be utilized to create longs.
Sacchitanand, any fresh update or any sort of a new call if you've identified after market opening?
If you look at Muthoot Finance, the way it had rebounded yesterday, and the way the 620 level has been challenged, probably the stock is consolidating here. So I have a conditional buy here above 626 on the futures. Long positions can be added here for a target close to around 638. It's a conditional buy. The stop loss for the trade would be placed at around 618 once that breakout is in place.